it's the first time you're seeing it. It is the DreamJeannes Sparkle Scalloped Crop Pant. $50.98, a $681, $563. We have beautiful colors. Girl, you look so stunning.
Well, thank you.
You really
had about a
do.
minute of sleep, so thank you.
You did?
You got to pop on some color and a
Yes,
bright lipstick.
Exactly. I'll tell you what, you never know because you look amazing. But we have it in that color that you see right there, which is shadow pink. But wait till you see the other colors. These are so cute. I mean, seriously, so cute. So if purchased separately, $1,188. Wow, that's quite a difference. Wow, I looked at that, I was like, wait, how many digits did that have? Anyway, $62 is QVC's regular price. Our big deal price, $50.98, saving you $11 by getting them now. We have medium wash right there. Then we have dark indigo. A lot of you like one or both. Then we also have them in the white. Yes. Look how gorgeous you're wearing the white right now. There's the shadow pink you just saw on the model. And then we have it in the sand color. Yes, okay, $50.98. I do want to tell you a couple quick things. Please. We have sizes extra, extra small to 5X, and also we have two lengths. The short is a 23-inch inseam. The regular is a 25-inch inseam. And by the way, there are jackets to match, okay? Angel Smedley from Quacker Factory.
Hello, my friend.
Quacker Factory is about beautiful clothing, high quality, but with that kick of fun and fashion.
Absolutely, yes. And happy National Quacker Day to all of you. This day marks the 30th anniversary of Jean Bice's first appearance here on QVC during the 50 and 50 tour. 1995.
Yes.
And the item that she was showing sold out before she even came on air. Former show host Kathy Levin brought her out and introduced her to America, and you fell in love. We've been here for 30 years, proud, loud and proud, right?
That's so exciting.
Well, one of the innovations, and really where Jean was ahead of her time, is she knew what women wanted, right? And she wanted it herself. She wanted this fabric because she was tired of wearing denim that was high-waisted with no stretch and was really uncomfortable. She found this, brought it to QVC. This is actually a knit French terry, 96% cotton, 4% spandex that is dyed to look like denim. We identify all of our dream jeans with that signature heart to let you know, oh yeah, that's that fabric. Now this pant, Mary Beth, fully elasticized waist, our classic waist. We gave you a stitch inside the waistband to help prevent that twisting, which sometimes happens with elastic. 5-pocket style. But then that little extra, that little gimme at the bottom, a scalloped hem adorned with rhinestones.
So cute.
So cute.
You guys, this is really, really worthy of being a big deal.
Yes.
And when I say a big deal, it's a lot like a today's special value. It's the fact that you're getting really like a today's special value kind of price on a really great item, and that's what this is. Here are your colors. That's called medium wash. This is the dark indigo. That's your darker denim. We have it in white.
Yes.
Run, don't walk on that one. The shadow pink is so beautiful.
New color to the Dream Jean
I love
category.
it.
Yes, yes,
so cute. And then we also have the sand.
It's a great khaki.
Which is a beautiful khaki. It's like a brighter khaki.
It really
which
is.
Which I like. And now, what about, what's going on the back of the jean?
So we have nice pockets here, perfect to fit your cell phone because that's where I'm always like looking to do that. And nice yoke here, but you're just getting that nice silhouette on these. This is fairly like a straight, between a straight leg and a slim leg.
Okay.
And we remade these from a very popular pant we debuted last year. And they were so popular, we said, okay, let's bring it back and make it big. And so we made it a big deal, added colors, but this, for most people, this is like an ankle.
That fits beautifully.
It really
does.
Now,
you're doing the regular length, which is 25 inches.
Yes, so it's
on the inseam. And how tall are you?
I'm 5'8".
5'8".
I'm longer in the torso.
Yes.
My inseam is shorter.
Mine
so this is hitting me closer to my ankle. So really, for a lot of people, this is like an ankle length jean.
Yeah.
But here's the thing. because we offer these in short, Mary
Yeah.
Beth, I could go for the short
Yes.
and have really more of a crop
Yes.
by pulling it up a little bit more.
Right.
Now, I really did just yank those up.
Yeah.
So we don't do petite, we do what's called short.
Right.
So the rise, the front rise and the back rise are the same. Your only measurement difference is that inseam. So really you can customize
Right.
wherever you want it to fit you.
Yeah.
And just real quickly, I wanted to mention, you know, I love talking about my body on national TV, PS, and by the way, been doing it for
And
30
you
years.
should, exactly.
Right?
How
But
many years?
I've been here for over 30,
Yeah,
like 30,
30 years.
34.
I know.
And Quacker's been here for 30, and this is my 15th anniversary talking about Quacker Factory on QVC. So
After
it's a lot of
Jean
fun.
passed. Yeah.
But I have a very full calf,
Yes.
athletic.
Uh-huh.
Athletic
Exactly.
calf, and
Right.
these stretch,
Yeah.
and it's not uncomfortable at all. They stretch to fit my calf.
And
so just keep that in
also
mind.
very easy to launder.
Yes.
Here are your colors. I'm going to start with the two denims. This is medium wash, and this is going to be the dark wash, all right, or dark indigo. So those are your two denims. Then we get into the white. Yes, grab those quickly.
Yes.
And then we've got that pink shadow pink.
This is just like Easter pink.
It
it's so
is.
beautiful. And that
So
jacket
pretty.
also comes in a shadow
I was just
pink.
going to say that jacket is really, really cute. I'm going to give you the information for that. And then we have it in sand. So we've got the sand color, which is I love this color.
Yeah.
Khaki is not always my favorite color, but this has a brightness to it.
It does. And
that
this
I
is
like.
not, this is not, Mary Beth, that khaki of the 80s
No.
with the belt loops and the pleats.
No.
I know we all wore them.
I know.
But no, this is different. It's
That's
sleeker.
right.
The fabric is amazing.
Yeah.
You know, we started when we launched DreamJeannes back in September of 2010. We started with 3 silhouettes. We've now done well over 100. And I tried to get a new number from our team, but everybody's so busy, I couldn't get a new number. But well over
Yeah.
4 million pieces have gone to loving homes. And you continue
Amazing.
to come back for more.
Yeah.
These are great for our very petite ladies
Yes.
who say the 28-inch inseam on the short is
Right.
still too long for me, Angel.
Right.
So this can be that go-between.
Yeah.
And it's a perfect transitional pant and to wear all year long.
23-inch inseam for short, 25-inch inseam for the regular. Here are the jackets. I'll just show you really quickly while I've got
Stephanie's
the
wearing it, yeah.
information. That's the shadow pink.
Let me hold that for you.
Okay. We also have it in the black. We have it in the dark indigo.
Yes.
The jackets are pricing at $85 or 5 payments of $17. But the pants, they are $50.98. And you can break that down into 3 payments of $17 a payment. First of all, the shirt you have on, is that coming up today at 2 o'clock or whatever time you're on?
That's an excellent question. I don't think it is, but it is available in our
Okay.
closet on QVC.com.
Okay.
Okay.
In the Quacker Factory closet.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
But the whole idea is you want to get these pants while they're a big deal.
Yes.
Because that big deal price does not last very long. I mean, a couple days down the line, that price will go
Yeah.
right back up to QVC price, which will cost you $11 more, which you don't want to have to spend, especially if you're getting more than one.
Absolutely.
Seriously.
And when we launched a similar pair of these
Yeah,
last year,
right.
they were gone at like 1 a.m. I think I had a 1
Oh, I
a.m. show,
believe it.
and they were pretty much gone that
Gone.
day.
Do you
So
know-
if you've been waiting,
Yeah.
this is that slightly tweaked, brand new version in
Mm.
amazing colors in 2 inseams.
And as far as care is concerned, because
Yep.
it has the rhinestones on it, what do you say?
Turn it inside out.
Yep. And still wash it on gentle and then tumble it dry on low or take it out. I don't ever dry my pants. I hang them up to dry. If I need to fluff them in the dryer for 2 minutes later, I will after
Easy
they're
peasy.
dry. But you know what I was going to say? You know what this reminds me of?
Tell me.
The skirt.
Oh, that skirt
Remember when that
Yep.
skirt first came out?
Yes, with the eyelet.
scallops.
and the eyelet.
And the eyelet and a little bit of the bling.
Yep.
And I own probably at least 10 or 12 of
love
those.
it.
You know, I bought them in every color. I've rebought them, literally.
Love
but
it.
anyway, here's your colors. As I had said before, there's your medium wash, your dark wash, dark indigo. There's the white, right there. Don't forget, it's all about what's at the bottom as well. There's your pink, shadow pink. And then that beautiful sand color. And if you want the jackets to go with it, it's a $677, $827, and 2 hours with Pat at 2 p.m.
2 p.m. So we're celebrating National Quacker Day.
Do you know what?
All
I
things
just
Quacker.
wore Quacker the other day with the hearts.
Thank you.
And I bought 2 colors.
Thank you,
They
Mary
were
Beth.
so adorable.
What are we going to do without you?
I know. I don't
love
know.
you.
I'll keep buying.
Okay.